The following is only intended for mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
Fucking A! Like I just sneezed out Twinkie cream. Ah! It's in my nose, it burns! Ah! Twinkie number 4! Just a small heads up! This is also how I eat anything penis shaped! Break it in half and lick the filling out. But I was eating a brown carrot so fucking good. Ah.
What's going on, you guys? Scott Farkus here, and you are watching the Angleworks channel. I have a very special, cringy video for you guys. As I will show you how much I fucking hate food reviewers and why I hate them. I will also use my cringy scale to rate the food reviewers on a scale from 1 star to 5 stars. Let's get this shit over with. First up, we have this weirdo.
Oh, you bitch.
Why is the burger a bitch? What did he do to you?
Oh, spilt a bit. All right, love, do you want a bit of beef? Before I bite into this big tasting review, I just want to talk to you about the rich and varied history of the McDonald's burger. The Big Mac first actually originated it.
Holy shit. Oh god, no. Stop it. What the fuck? Clean your fucking mouth, dude.
My fucking glass is falling off. Almost bit off my own fingers.
Cringy scale 3.5. Oh fucking hell.
But I'm gonna bring you guys
this guy.
close up to a patty, so we are gonna dig right in. This thing smells amazing. It definitely smells flame grilled.
That's because Wellham it is flame broiled, you twat.
Reminds you of a Whopper, so without further
Dumbass.
ado, guys, the Big King XL from Burger King. Wish me luck.
Well, that was fucking boring. Cringe level 3.
Hello.
Hi, 3278.
Yeah, I'm gonna pay as much as I have here in cash,
Wow.
and then the rest in card.
Debit?
Yeah. How much is there? I'm not sure.
$2. We owe 73 cents.
We're gonna do the 70.
5, 6, 7, 3, 9, 132. Yes, 73 cents.
Could you do that on a card? Just the 73 cents.
Jesus H fuck, what a pain in the ass.
Card.
Sure.
And this person's going to be leaving spot 1. I'm going to have to pull you for your quarter pounders. Once he leaves, can I have you pull into that?
That one where the truck is?
Yes.
Not
No, the one where the truck is. I'm starting to feel the cringe coming through. Just hasn't yet.
Yeah.
Yep, that's us. I'll see that. Thank you.
Wait a minute. I had to close my eyes. I'm not sure if I'm seeing things or did I just see. Okay, let me just slowly open my eyes.
Double check.
And that puts the nail in the coffin. Hashtag cringe. Cringe level 4.
Hi, Michael here, and welcome to another food review.
Oh great.
Okay, so this one is from the store. I went to the store and bought a microwave pizza. Good food for a food review. Here's what the box looks
A
like.
Dollar Tree pizza.
Here's one cook.
He put that shit in the microwave.
Take a look at it.
Chef Ramsay would be impressed. He's going in. He looked like a young Joe Mans without the S chin. Cringe level 1. Oh, what the fuck is this?
This is filling.
Fucking hell. He's deep-throating that fucking burrito. What the piss am I watching? Are you alright, dude? Wow. What the fuck, man? Cringe level 4.5.
I don't know why I thought it was local.
Oh fuck. He got the Steve Baldski.
Someone did mention that the pico de gallo is local, but I'm not buying the whole dish just to get the pico de gallo, so I feel a little bit of guilt.
I feel a little bit of guilt watching 10 seconds of your fucking face.
Going to our farmer's market and getting a chain sandwich. However, nobody at the farmer's market was selling a lobster roll, so I really didn't have a choice. You understand? Okay.
Yes. Yes, we understand. Back up a little.
So this is the sandwich. Okay, now, I will tell you this. When you look at the marketing or the advertisements for these sandwiches, I'm not even joking. I thought the sandwich was gonna be huge, honey. I thought
Oh, so very huge, honey. Yes, honey.
it was gonna be big. Big as my face, especially for $16.75.
Cringe level 3.5.
In this little packet, which is only 70 calories. So you don't have to show restraint. Because, you know, you're just going to eat this one package. Fine, you don't have to worry about it. It's a one-off. It's easy to toss in. The problem is, I don't like these. They taste like jam. They do not have the yummy, fruity chewiness similar to fruit leather that you would get with the Kellogg stuff. So, of the two, I think I would have to go with these again, because I can actually show some restraint. I just don't like the flavor of these. If only this size package would be used for these. That's what I would really like.
Oh, sorry. I fell asleep. That guy was so fucking boring. Why the hell is he reviewing fruit snacks? Cringe level 2.
Half an hour, the ketchup cake is cooked.
What the fuck is ketchup cake?
I can't lie, it smells delicious in here.
I'm sure it smells like fucking ketchup. This is madness.
And we're good. Let's hit the bedroom and try it out. This is so good, dude. What is going on? I can already tell I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I can't stop.
This sad thing is, I think he is actually enjoying that shit.
From what I was expecting this to be, really gross, to what it actually is, amazing, it's such a huge gap.
Bitch, you know damn well you eat that for dessert every night.
The ketchup balances out the sweet flavors so perfectly. Ketchup cake and Oprah for President 2020.
Ha 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 ha. Oh fucking hell, ha 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 ha. Cringe level 4.5.
And I'm just taking a bite of everything.
Oh shit, it's damn drops.
Oh my.
This dude fucking loves food. That donut's so good it's giving him muscle spasms. This dude is literally in heaven.
What?
It's a fucking donut. Hashtag America. That's a huge fucking burger. Do these fuckers know how many calories they are eating every video? Fucking hell. It's blasphemy.
Foodie fan. I love a delicious burger
And they get millions of fucking views doing this shit.
that has been wrapped up before, because this is what happens. The SBA, the soft bun action, gets a little more soft.
Cringe level 3.
What's up, people? What it be? What it do?
Why are all these food reviewers so fucking weird?
Happy Man Snacks back again with a new review. Normal fries, which I have to say are pretty delicious, man. I would say these rival McDonald's fries.
Well, McDonald's fries are fucking trash.
Closest to McDonald's fries that you'll find. Almost shoestring, nice, light, potato-y, great salt content on them. My mom would be proud of these.
I bet she isn't proud of your chipmunk face.
They gotta be salted really
Oh fuck, there she is.
good. Alright, I'm sure they're salted.
Cringe level 2.
Everyone, this is Running on Empty Food Review.
Oh shit, this guy. I might as well get ready for bed now.
The suicidal wing.
More like homicide wings, since they are about to get shoved down your boring ass gullet.
Right, let's see how hot they really are. Going in.
Why the hell does he wear suits to do a fucking food review?
Holy jeez. Woo! That's hot.
What a pussy.
I'll tell you.
Cringe level 4.
Robert Dyer, and welcome to the Robert Dyer channel Halloween Countdown.
Shit. I'm cringing before the loser even starts eating the food.
Where we have just about 2 days to go here. 1 day depending when you're watching this. And today I have another special product this morning for...
Are you fucking kidding me? I have to suffer to watch you eat cereal? Miss me with that shit. Cringe level 4.5.
That is done.
What the fuck is this? All I see is a couple of large marshmallows eating marshmallows. Cringe level 4.
Food reviews, it's food reviews, my food reviews are good. My food reviews, my food reviews, my food reviews are so good.
Ha 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 ha, that was fucking hilarious.
You take it, and then you dunk it.
I think we know how to eat Oreos. But thanks for your useless video.
Let's drink this vaporwave water. Tastes like water. But that's what you get for drinking this vaporwave water. It illustrates society's conformity and how much society will buy name brand products. This is a bottle of water that costs $2.09.
This is a kid who got punched in the forehead for being so cringe. I'll give you a 3.
Yes, tastes so good. Yo, get the fuck out of my way.
Bitch, who the fuck are you talking to?
Are you seriously eating banana chips and fucking drinking ketchup? Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Little boy, I will kick your ass 6 ways from Friday.
Oh. What you need to do, pick your lazy ass up, go to the store, and get hot Cheetos.
Who the fuck are you calling lazy? It takes hours to do these videos, you little shit.
And buy like 6 of these, and just drink the fuck out of it.
Where are your fucking parents?
I drink like 5 of these.
You didn't buy shit, little boy, yo daddy bought those.
And this is my last one, 'cause I'm sick.
Yes, I can fucking tell that's your last one.
And I'll eat these too. Watch. I'll eat this motherfucker in the damn thing. Damn, that shit good.
Let me pause this before I open a can of whoop ass. Cringe level 4. Pissed off level 5.
I'm not really a big fan of popsicles.
Then why are you fucking reviewing it?
I don't know really what it is. I think because they're so cold and it just like hurts my teeth to try this.
Well, no shit, it hurts your teeth. Look how you're fucking eating it.
It tastes like ice.
Ha 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 ha. Jesus H fuck. I don't understand, why do people do a video just to put someone to sleep?
See,
what the fuck?
The jar is almost empty because I love Miracle Whip, so I Miracle Whip.
What the fuck did he just say?
But you can see the texture, very creamy. Alright, so let me try some.
Well, you're not trying it if you say there and ate the entire jar already.
Let me get some out of here. Okay, so there you can see one spoonful of Miracle Whip, and let's try it.
That's fucking gross. Cringe level 4. He's putting in work. Damn son. Chew it. Cringe level 3. Okay everyone. I saved the best for last. The most cringy food reviewer of all time. I present this motherfucker.
Hi everyone, it's Joe from Joey Super Cool Food Reviews.
Greasy, take me to the ball game, son of a bitch.
I'm back! Hey everyone, it's Joe from Joey Super Cool Food Reviews, I'm back! Hey everyone, it's Joe from Joey Super Cool Food Reviews, I'm back! Hey everyone, it's Joe from Joey Super Cool Food Reviews.
Listen guys, I do not want to watch this cringy Humpty Dumpty fat fuck annoying as human garbage disposal. Bitch! I will play a compilation of this bitch as that will speak for itself. I'm Scott Farkus, and enjoy the rest of the video. Roll that shit.
It says here, warning, you are about to taste the best spicy chicken you've ever had. Already? Let's try this out. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Woo! That is some tasty chicken. They use 5 different cheeses in each of these cheese pockets full of heavenly cheese. 5 different cheeses. Parmesan, Romano, mozzarella. Look at this thing. Oh. Oh, it's so hot and greasy. Ah. Oh.